I'm going to show you how to automate your Instagram. Go to my Instagram page, give a follow or like. Alright, so my pixels, I'm gonna download some images that I like. Which one? Let's get another one in here. Find some development pictures. Just getting something that's relevant to my page. You know what? We'll just repost something I had before. Yeah, repost our logo. Instagram image downloader. Content. Download that. Image 2. So these are JPEGs. PNG. Okay, JPEG should work. Alright, so there's this Python library called Instabot. Super easy to use. So I'm using PyCharm. I'm going to take our images that we just downloaded, image 1 and image 2, copy that over to the same folder where I have my script. Alright, so we called it image1.jpg. What is this? Alright. Caption. Long night coding. Hashtag no sleep. And then once that one's done, the next one I'm going to upload is the image 2. Hashtag repost. Company logo. Alright, so here's my current page. So we're using real time. The script is easy. You import bot from Instabot library. You log in, upload photo. So this works mostly for JPEGs, I think. PNGs don't work because of the transparency layer. With the API, there's an issue, but you can always convert them to JPEGs. Alright, let's give it a shot. Do this. I'm going to run it. It logs me in. Login success. Alright, I found the first photo. Might be too big, but we'll see. I got really slow internet here right now, but we should get a success. Image 1 uploaded. Go back here. refresh my Instagram page. Here's the image 1. Online coding, no hashtag, no sleep. Now it's doing image 2. A couple of seconds. Image 2 uploaded. Perfect. Go back to my page. Oops. Go back. Image 2 is here. Repost. So a bunch of applications to this. If you want to start a company for Instagram bots, perfect idea. You want to run your own Instagram campaigns, just auto posting stuff. Python's a great tool. If you guys looking for someone to do this automation for you, I'm a software developer, run a company, I have a team, we do marketing, we do app development, we do Python, focusing a lot more into automation. We also run ads for people. So if you need something, box is down here. Send us what you need. If you want a quote, go ahead and quote us or give us a call.